Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix iOS 26 rapid battery depletion. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your iPhone settings. Here, you're going to navigate to the battery section and you're going to check which apps are using the most power. And then you're going to try some quick fixes to reduce rapid battery drain on iOS 26. First is you're going to turn on the low power mode and that will reduce your battery drainage. And you're going to also reduce the screen brightness or enable auto brightness. And you're going to disable unnecessary location access by going to the privacy and security over here. Simply click on it and then you're going to click on location services and simply disable the location services for the apps that you're not using. And you can also update apps from the App Store and then restart your iPhone after updating iOS if you have done so. If battery drain started right after updating, then you can wait a day or two because iOS may still be indexing and optimizing in the background. You can also check for newer software updates by going to settings over here and then go to general. So you're going to simply update your software in case Apple releases a battery fix patch. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.